Hi, this is Chef Rick, and today I'm going to show you how to make pork crackling. So we start with a piece of pork skin with the fat still intact. I took this from the glazed ham video, and if you've not seen that, I'll put a link to it here. This was just off a single piece of gammon, so it's not the biggest piece of pork skin that you've ever seen in your life, but if you did have more, you know, you can, I would probably portion it up the same size I've done. Just makes everything nice and even, and also it's going to fit neatly in your oven. First thing I'm doing there is scoring the skin with a sharp knife. Not cutting all the way through, of course, literally just scoring the skin. This is going to stop it curling up when you cook it. Olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and then massage that all into the skin, into the underside, into the fat. Just cover it all nicely. Give it a good rub. All right, that's enough. Sea salt. You see, that's a decent amount of sea salt I've put on there. There's not going to be the same going on the other side. You'll see in a moment as we rub it in and that salt goes into the chopping board. I'll kind of turn the skin and let it rub on both sides. So just kind of, you just want to make sure that that's all rubbed in. The olive oil is going to help it stick. Those grooves that you put into the top, the salt's going to go into those as well. Just make sure that it's rubbed all into both sides. And you've got a nice even coat in there. So now we're going to get a tray with a rack on there. The rack is going to ensure that obviously the thing doesn't completely stick, and that any excess fats and oils just drip through. Position it, you know, I mess around positioning it a bit there because you don't want it to, as it cooks, for it to fall down through the gaps. Into an oven, around about 200 degrees. All these instructions are of course in the description. This was about 40 minutes later. And you can see what I do here is just run a knife across it, and you can hear as you're running across, you're running it across really crisp skin. As you run across, if you kind of feel that it's a soft bit or a bit's not quite cooked, put it back in until it's done. I've let it cool on here as well. So leave it on the side to cool, just, you know, you can leave it as long as you need. That's it. You know, it probably took about 15 minutes to cool. You want it to cool because it's going to firm up even more and allow cutting it to be even easier. Use a sharp knife, break it up. This does not have to be done neatly at all. You can use kitchen scissors as well, but I've just used a sharp knife for this. You can tell it's still warm there because you can see the bits of kind of where the fat is still on the chopping board. It makes no ends at all. When you make this, the whole house smells amazing. You're so desperate to eat it that it's, if you've got the patience to let it cool completely, well, you know, good on you. And as simple as that, then into a serving bowl. Stick a few of those out. Cold beers on the side. Gone in 2 minutes time. That's it, pork crackling. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please, as always, if you liked it, can you click like, click subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.